In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new theme in Microsoft PowerPoint if you're looking to enhance your presentations with a personal touch or a consistent look. Creating a custom theme is a game changer. So let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the process. To get started, you'll need to open the Microsoft PowerPoint application. If you don't have it opened already, find it on your desktop or launch it from your applications folder. Once we're there, you'll want to choose an existing presentation that you wish to apply a new theme to. Don't worry, if you're working on something new, you can start a blank presentation and follow along just fine. With your presentation opened, take a look at the top menu where you'll find various options like File, Home, and Insert. The one you're interested in right now is Design. Go ahead and click on that. The Design tab is where all the magic happens when it comes to the overall aesthetic of your presentation. You'll notice a variety of options here, such as slide sizes, background styles, and most importantly, themes. Next, direct your attention to the Themes section within the Design tab. Here you'll see a gallery of preset themes that PowerPoint offers. These themes control slide backgrounds, fonts, colors, and other design elements. You can use these as a starting point or simply get inspiration for your own custom theme. To start creating a custom theme, click on the drop down arrow next to the theme gallery. This will expand to show you all available themes. Once you've decided on the foundation, consider customizing your theme further by altering the colors, fonts, and effects to better suit your presentation's purpose or your personal style. The variants group will allow you to adjust these elements easily. Click on colors to change the palette, fonts to explore different typographies, or effects to play with unique visuals. Each change you make will be reflected immediately on your slides, so it's easy to experiment until everything fits perfectly. When you're satisfied with your customizations and ready to use this theme in other presentations, remember to save it. Click on the More button again under the Theme section and select Save Current Theme. Name your theme and save it to a location where you can easily access it for future projects. Creating and customizing themes in PowerPoint not only gives your presentations a cohesive and polished look, but also saves time in the long run. Whether you're working on professional projects or personal slideshows, tailoring a theme to your needs can enhance the overall impact of your work. I hope this guide has been helpful and has inspired you to create your own unique theme next time you work in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.